Diet shake recipes: a healthy and nutritious way to lose weight fast. When you are on a weight loss program, you may find it a little boring. These diet shake recipes will help spice things up with the added benefit of helping you lose pounds. Shakes and smoothies are great to make in the summer months due to the plentiful supply of fresh fruit. Adding low-fat yogurt makes them even more tempting. But you can still partake in the winter. All you have to do is use frozen fruit, which has just as few calories and tastes almost as good. So what recipes would be recommended? I love mango as it is very refreshing when you are feeling hot and bothered. I whizz up some mango, mandarin oranges and some ice. I then add a low-fat yogurt and if I am feeling hungry, some protein powder. Yummy! Occasionally I will use a banana instead of the yogurt, although I have been known to use both. Cranberry juice is an excellent tonic for your kidneys. Blend some with apple juice, strawberries, blueberries and a banana to make a delicious healthy breakfast. If I am craving chocolate, I will add some unsweetened high-quality cocoa powder to my shake, although obviously I cannot do this every day. Unfortunately, you cannot survive purely on diet shakes. In order to lose pounds and keep that slimmer figure, you need to eat healthily and exercise more. But you should have fun doing it. Any activity that gets you moving is good for you. Think about what you love doing and do more of it. He will love you for it. Think about your diet as well and see what changes you can implement to cut your calorie intake. White breads, pasta and rice are all bad for us dieters as they contain hidden sources of sugar. So swap them over to the brown variety. You may have to do this gradually as your palate will have to get used to the new taste. Also be aware that you need to cook brown rice and pasta for longer than the other varieties, otherwise you will end up eating them raw like I did. Yuck. Experiment with your food. We all get stuck in a diet rut where we eat the same type of foods day in and day out. So now it is time to broaden your horizons. Try out a new fruit or vegetable every week. You could also try cooking in a different way. For example, if you always fry steak, why not try grilling instead? Or steam your fish? Simple changes are great as you will lose pounds with very little effort. There are some foods that are high in soluble fiber, meaning they fill you up but have few calories. These include Brussels sprouts, mangoes, peas, dried apricots, sprouts and spring greens. Adding a couple of these to your meals will help you eat less and so reduce your waistline. At the end of the day, tasty diet shake recipes are easy to find but can only be part of the overall weight loss program.